What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got my cousin Tom here today. Last time, one of our last videos, we had his brother Mike while I was printing shirts. Now we got Tom. So we are installing window perf on his back window for their new business, Pedro and Sons. So if you guys are in the Manitoba, southern Manitoba, and you guys need some washing done, hit those guys up. So we're gonna install that on the back window. Let's get to this. Tom says we're doing it upside down. So I guess it's better advertising for the drunk guys. All right, so we're just gonna do our alcohol wipe down. Don't worry, this is not dirty. I'll let Tom explain what happened there.
Yeah, my snowblower, I bought a snowblower and I didn't strap it down. And when I pressed the brakes, it slid forward and it scratched my window. So we're hoping that this perf will cover it up nicely and you won't even be able to tell.
Just gonna get it roughly lined up first. Just due to this swoosh of water just ending right there, so we're gonna go a little lower, give that some breathing room.
I put your shirt in there too.
Oh, nice. Yeah, if you guys want some wrap merch, the link is in the bio to the wrap showcase. Tom's giving a shameless plug there.
Right now, Tony's just going to be centering it from left to right to make sure it's not weird or anything like that.
Which it is.
See, that's why you measure it before you put it on.
Correct. That's why we do this.
All right, sorry for the little cut there. Tony was just making sure everything was lined up 100%, but we are back and installing.
Just got using the felt edge of my squeegee so we can't laminate this, because I find when you laminate, perf doesn't work as well. You get a lot of air bubbles trapped in there. So yeah, you won't have quite the longevity as it would if it was laminated, but it'll do a much cleaner install and your visual is much better. Just gonna get that pressed all the way to the edge there. We're gonna trim right on the edge once we get it all laid. So you want to push down on your edges nicely. Okay, so take our tape off there. This tape we had just so I could start in the middle and go that way, and then we'll pull this back and off and continue the rest. Even overlapping squeegee strokes, as you always should with any wrap. This stuff's tricky on the eyes when installing. This hole is tripping out every time I install this.
Amazing job that this guy is doing.
Well, thank you. always go along with my finger. That way I know exactly where that edge is. Push it down. And then we'll go over it with heat and then trim. Just felt a little bubble there. Yes, even with perf you can get some bubbles, so we'll get that out. We'll put on a wrap glove to help with the heat. So low heat, we don't need a lot of heat here for this. Fresh blade.
Always want a sharp blade. Do not be stingy with those.
Agreed. You don't have to have your blade out too far. And you're just going to glide it actually right on that glass.
Look at the steady hands. Check out the focus on this guy right now. It's crazy.
Gotta be focused on it to do a good job.
And Tony, are you allowed to wash your vehicle right after installing a perf?
Usually with any wrap, I tell people to wait a day or two, even if we do our proper post heat, which we always do in our proper post heat here at Model 72 at least. Yeah, you can wash it after, but you don't want to go too close to the edges with the pressure washer. Just like with PPF or any other wrap, you want to be careful with that for the first few days at least. And even after that, don't go too close to the edges because we won't warranty it otherwise.
There you have it, folks. Gave yourselves a good 72 hours before you take it to the car wash.
Yeah.
So that's why you wash your vehicle before you get any wrap or
so
anything done.
Just like Tom did just before we came here. Did a full wash on his truck. So there we go. Now all we gotta do is post heat this whole thing, and we're good to go.
All right, folks. Post heat was done.
Final.
And Tony is just basically just doing a little final trim up on any little imperfections that were spotted later on, just to absolutely perfect what he does for a living.
Well, there we go, guys. We are done here. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't, give it a thumbs up. None of that thumbs down thing. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.